Most people get this wrong. They assume pet insurance is too expensive or complicated, but Pumpkin offers an easy-to-use and affordable solution. Here's my honest experience using it. Pumpkin covers accidents, illnesses, and preventive care with flexible reimbursement options. You can choose between 70%, 80%, or 90% reimbursement and select annual coverage limits ranging from $5,000 to $30,000. One surprising feature is that preventive care coverage can include vaccinations, dental cleaning, and wellness exams, which many other providers exclude. The application process is straightforward and entirely online. No exams are required, just basic health information about your pet. Once approved, you can file claims via the mobile app, often with fast reimbursement. I submitted a claim for a minor vet visit, and the process was quick and hassle-free. Pumpkin also allows multi-pet discounts and has transparent pricing. Monthly premiums vary depending on age, breed, and selected coverage, but overall, it's competitive compared to industry standards. The downside, like most pet insurance, pre-existing conditions are not covered, and waiting periods apply for certain treatments. It's also important to read the policy carefully to understand exclusions. In conclusion, Pumpkin Pet Insurance is a reliable, easy-to-use option for keeping your pets protected. It offers flexibility, preventive care coverage, and convenient claims processing, making it a great choice for responsible pet owners. Subscribe for more honest reviews of insurance options and pet care tools.